We have our new pack coming today. Hey Darwin, it's guys. Yeah, I'm not Darwin. It's just Darwin Day. And we are evolving, baby. We have upgraded to a new big boy pack, but let's get rid of this junk. So what we got here is a special delivery from RedPaw Packs, referred to me by a friend, Michael. Hey Michael. I am absolutely giddy. If you don't know already, I backpacked the entire Appalachian Trail with the first pack that I ever bought, which I bought it when I was a freshman in high school, which was when I took my very first ever backpacking trip. It was just a really crappy 45-liter Ozark Trail. It was fine. And the reason that I used it was because, one, I'm cheap. Two, the only other pack that I had was like a 70-liter Osprey, which is like 5 pounds, which is just like, that's so silly. But anyway, so we have like a little letter here from Mr. Matt at RedPaw. He says, Luke, hope you enjoy the new pack. It's bright. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts on the bag. Consider leaving us a website review if you dig it. Thank you, Matt. I'm sure I will dig it. This is my whole philosophy with gear, is you buy what you can afford at whatever price that you can afford for your first thing. And then over the course of many years, I bought like one big thing a year. You know, like 1 year it was my light and equipment quilt. But before that, I was using a 5-pound, you know, like sleep system. It's the same with the pack, but the thing with the pack is you have to have your gear dialed in before you can buy the pack, because then you're just gonna buy another pack down the road, you know? So I probably could have bought like a cheapish, you know, $100 pack or something for the AT, but I was like, I've got this 45-liter Ozark Trail, but I might as well use it, because I didn't know that I was gonna thru hike the Appalachian Trail until like really my first day at Springer. I didn't even know that I was going to be finishing. I thought I was just going to be getting on for like, I don't know, for a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. But the reason that I bought a new pack now is because the Ozark Trail was just a placeholder in the meantime while I figured out exactly what I wanted out of my next pack. And that's what the whole AT was figuring out. After doing the whole AT, I was able to really dial in, like, you know, I really wish I had this little bitty thing here, this thing here, and spent a lot of time researching different companies and sending them messages. Like, you know, maybe I like this material that you have, but I don't really like this, you know, this thing, or can I add this customization, or can I do this? And it wasn't until I found Matt at RedPaw Packs that was like, yeah, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that, I can do that. I was like sending him pictures of like random stuff, random packs that I saw on the trail, like this thing right here. And I was like, I want that. And he was like, done. Anyway, he was a cool cat. So let's actually look at the pack and go through the specifications of it. At first, on my phone, I was like, oh, it got delivered. And I went down there to the whatever, and I didn't see it. I was like, what? I thought it'd be in like a bigger box, you know? And I was like, where is it? And I was like, it can't be in the mailbox. And I checked the mailbox, and it was in the flipping mailbox. It is a frameless. It's 40 liters. It is made with XPAC material, but it's not made with the normal XPAC material that you see like VX15, VX21. This is made with V15, which is different from the other ones because it doesn't have that X in there. XPAC is a laminate fabric, so it's got these different layers, and so this is just a slightly lighter fabric because it doesn't have that X layer that you see in most XPAC stuff. It's a roll top bag. It's got a couple snaps. All of the pockets, except for the side pockets, are made with this orange like Spandura, which is like a really heavy duty, a lot of stretch material. So love that. So I've got a front pocket, a bottom pocket, which opens to the right. It's got these shoulder strap pockets, and they've got these little bungees here that you can, you know, zip and unzip it, you know, so you can tighten stuff and untighten. It's a bungee. You'll notice that this end has 2 and this end has 1. The reason why this end has 1 is because it's got this thick seatbelt webbing, and I'm gonna use this webbing to put in my like capture clip for carrying my camera and stuff while I'm hiking. It's got load lifters at the top, had to have those. Hip belt, just a basic, you know, not basic, it's a padded hip belt. I know I wanted a padded hip belt for like long water carries, long food carries, whatever. On the back here, it's got shock cord webbing around the back so that I can put, you know, put the old ass pad there. So the top rolls down and then attaches to this guy here. And then just like in that picture you saw, you can cinch that down. And that's what gives you the top down compression, and it gives you the side compression. And instead of having shock cord lacing on the side of your pack to like hold down like trekking poles or like tent stakes, I don't use tent stakes, but you know what I'm saying? Instead of having that, this one thing accomplishes 3 different things. It does the top down, it does the side compression, and then it also gives you something to hold on to that's tall that goes in those side pockets. So let's get a slight change of scenery maybe. What you think? Okay, so a couple other things. It's got this Y top strap. I wanted that, you know, in case I'm ever carrying like a bear box or bear canister or whatever. The way that he incorporates these sternum straps, they kind of pull out like this, and then you can, you know, angle them like that, and then go out, and you can adjust the height on them that way. Oh, there's 2 sternum straps, by the way, which I think is kind of neat. Oh, and a whistle.
I have this whistle. Wow, a whistle, huh? Why do you have a reverberating sound cue? It came with the door.
It fits really well. Wow. Oh yeah, this is making me so excited to go backpacking. Yeah, man, first impressions, I absolutely love it. It's everything that I asked for. It's everything that I wanted, and it came out great. I couldn't, the shoulder straps are really comfortable. They're kind of thick. They're way thicker than my Ozark Trail ones. Wow, big surprise. I love it so much. Huge thanks to Matt for sending me this pack and making me this pack and dealing with me as I sent him all of these different barking orders at him, you know. I custom ordered the fabric from him, and he was with me every step of the way, making sure that it was exactly the way I wanted and the way I envisioned, down to, you know, ordering materials that he didn't even have and had never worked with before. So really just awesome guy, awesome company. If you want to order something from them, I have an affiliate link down below for you to go, and he's got other products as well, you know. He's got fanny packs, and he's got stickers, and he's got packs. Obviously, he's got a slightly smaller pack than this. I have no doubt I'll have plenty of storage in this bag. I will have lots and lots of miles to put on it. If you like this video, hit the like. Go check out Matt at RedPaw Packs. And if you like this bag, you know, if you think it looks pretty legit, you can go hit up that affiliate link and go buy a pack from Matt. So that's how we're ending it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Look out for this pack getting broken in on the Pinhoti pretty soon. So see ya.